In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply coupon code in Google Pay. By the end, you'll know exactly where to enter a promo code depending on what you're paying for and how to make sure the discount shows up before you complete your purchase. Here's the key idea up front. Google Pay doesn't have a single universal coupon box. The option to apply a promo code appears only when the specific payment supports it. That means the process can look a little different for bills and recharges, merchant checkouts, and Google Play purchases. I'll walk you through each scenario so you can use your code with confidence. Let's start with the most common situation: applying a code during checkout for a bill, a mobile recharge, or a purchase with a participating merchant. Open the Google Pay app and begin your payment as usual. When you reach the payment confirmation screen, look for a link or button that may say promo code, add offer, or have a code. The exact wording can vary, but it will be near the total you're about to pay. Tap it, carefully enter your code, and then tap apply. If the code is valid for that transaction, you'll see the discount reflected right on the confirmation screen. Only proceed to pay once the discount is visible. If you don't see it, go back and double check the code, the terms, or whether that payment supports promo codes. Now, if your code is specifically for Google Play, like apps, games, or subscriptions, you'll redeem it directly in the Play Store. Open the Google Play Store app, tap your profile icon in the top right, and go to Payments and Subscriptions. Choose Redeem Code, enter the code exactly as it appears, and confirm. Once redeemed, the value or offer is tied to your Play account and will be available when you make eligible purchases there. You can still pay using Google Pay at checkout, but the code itself is managed through the Play Store. A few important tips to keep in mind. The promo box appears only when that particular transaction supports offers. Some codes work only for new users, specific merchants, or certain categories, and many require a minimum purchase. You almost always need to apply the code before completing payment. Once you finalize the transaction, you typically can't add a code retroactively. And remember, only one promo code can be used per transaction. If a valid code still isn't applying, check the expiration date, account eligibility, and the fine print for restrictions. That's it. Use the promo field on the checkout screen for regular payments, or redeem codes in the Play Store for apps and subscriptions, and always confirm the discount before you pay.